Hello everyone, it's your girl Yuan. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to hit that red subscribe button down below. Let me put this out there that I'm keeping this video very raw, very real. I've just woken up an hour back. This is how my morning face is. I'm wearing my night suit. I am not dressing up. This is what it is. I'm just adding this band to do my skincare, but if this was off camera, I would be tying a very messy bun, looking very crazy and doing my skincare routine. But just for the sake of this video, I thought I'll look a little bit presentable. But that's the scene right now, and let's get into the video now. For today's video, I'll be doing my morning skincare routine, and this is something that I do on a daily basis. I do keep on changing few things. I have very basic drugstore products which are excellent and it works really good for me, so I thought I will share with you. If this is something that you're interested in, please keep on watching. Okay, so disclaimer, if I'm squinting in this video, it's because I have a weak eye. I'm not wearing my lenses, I'm not wearing my specs, so that is why I'm doing it. And also the reason why I'm not wearing my lens is because on an everyday basis I do not wear it the minute I wake up. I prefer wearing my specs, and probably in the middle of the day I would just wear my lens. The first thing that I do is wash my face. Now I'm using this face wash by Face Care. This is something my Dermat gave me and I've been using probably for 3 years or maybe 3+ years. It removes the dirt from the pores. It really unclogs the pore, which is amazing. And this is very good for acne prone skin. Now there are days when I have like a full face, a heavy coverage makeup, and I feel that I need something extra. I will go in with the Face Shop cleansing foam. It's from the Herb Day collection, and this is in aloe vera. It is a little bit strong, but this is something that I use very rarely. I don't use it every day. By the way, if I've not mentioned, I've washed my face. I could not figure out how to place my camera while washing my face, so I did not do that. I was really scared that I will splash my camera with some water, so I avoided that. Excuse me, I don't know what's happening with my voice now. Water break. Before we continue, I would like to stop and say, please drink your water. It is so important. Honestly, I know this is so weird coming from me if you know me, because I am somebody who barely finishes 1 glass of water throughout the day, and I'm not exaggerating. This is really me. Sometimes I literally forget, and in the end of the day, when I think I realize I've barely had like a glass of water, and that's how bad I am with drinking water. But now I've really disciplined myself and I have this bottle. So please try and keep a fancy bottle or something that would like really make you drink water, because that's how it works for me. And this is really good, so I finish this off and then I fill it again and then I drink. I do sometimes not finish this entire bottle, and I'm still struggling with it. But I also want to tell you that ever since I started drinking water, I've seen the changes in my skin. It's been so hydrated and so good. The next thing that I do is I go in with a toner. I absolutely love this step. I did not skip this step, and I will recommend you not to skip this step. I use this Biotique Bio Cucumber toner. This is something I've been using for probably a year or more than a year, but I have been loving it. I think this is my 4th or 5th bottle. This is extremely good. It tightens the pore. I don't use a cotton pad to apply this. I will normally take it in my palm and just rub it and just pat my face. Now the reason why I don't use a cotton swab is because I feel it's not good for the environment. I try to avoid it as much as possible, but if I have like a full face makeup and when I'm doing my skincare routine in the night, I tend to use a cotton swab just to remove any extra makeup product that is on my face. All the products that I'm mentioning, I will put in a link. I'll also try to find the links of the products that are recommended by my Dermat. I started using eye cream probably 2 years ago because I realized that I had a lot of fine lines, I'm aging, I need it. So as of now, I'm using the Biotique Bio Seaweed Eye Cream. Now this is something that my mom picked up, and I took it from her. I absolutely love it. It is gel, so it is super light on the eye. After toner, immediately go in with your eye cream. Keep taking a little bit. I'm using this amount of eye cream. Make sure that you're using your ring finger to apply your eye cream, because the ring finger is going to be very light on your skin, especially your under eye. And just tap. on your eyelid as well and under the eye. Now once I'm done with the eye cream, I go in with my moisturizer and I'm using Evangeline. Now this is something my Dermat gave me and this is super light, it's water based, so it works very well. It literally hydrates your skin and it feels like you've put highlighter but you've not. Taking this much on my skin. Don't forget your neck, people. Now once that's done, I'll just warm my hands and I'll just go in with circular motion. Now do not go tugging on your skin and rubbing on it like crazy, just be as gentle as you can. Actually, did I say that toner was my favorite step? No, this is my favorite step. Let me get it for you, 1 second. Unveiling my favorite skincare step. Are you ready? I'm using the face roller. Now this is something I stored in the freezer, so that's why this is how it looks. It is super cold, but that's how I like to go with this on my skin. So I'll quickly use it on my face. Now one thing to remember when you're using a jade roller is to have a good amount of moisturizer on your face, because you don't want this just to be on your bare face tugging on your skin, so that is something you have to keep in mind. If you're wondering why I'm using face roller, it's because when you wake up in the morning, your face looks like a blank slate, so it's very good to use this in the morning. It helps with blood circulation, that is good for the skin. If there's good blood circulation happening, it tends to absorb the products and everything that you're putting in your skin. It has worked really well, and this is also something that helps with fine lines, so it is a very good way to fight those fine lines and make sure that you're not dragging your skin, and it's very good to kind of give that structure to your face. After that's done, I head straight to my SPF. I'm extremely particular about my SPF. I do not skip this step, and if you're not somebody who is wearing SPF, you should start today. SPF is so important for the skin. Even if you're at home, please lather on some SPF. You have to protect your skin from all the UV rays that you get, and you should have your SPF from morning 8 to evening 5. So throughout this span of time, make sure that you have your SPF on. Now I'm using the Acne UV Gel SPF 30. This is something my Dermat gave me. This SPF is oil free, it is water resistant, it is non-comedogenic, and this is something I strictly follow. I strictly use it. I might skip my moisturizer, but I never skip my SPF. I know a lot of you would be thinking why SPF is important, and you know kind of skip it when you're at home, but you don't understand that all the pigmentation that we have and all the pigmentation we will have, you can avoid it by putting in your SPF and not skipping that. My skin is not acne prone skin, so I normally don't have a lot of bumps on my face, but when I do, it's normally because I've eaten something which is way too greasy, or probably it is because I have been super terrible to my skin and not been paying attention. But most of the time it's because when it's that time of the month and you have all these guests saying hello and hi to you, so they arrive, and that's when I use Clindamycin. Now this is something that my Dermat gave me, so I apply it on the areas that require, and I just put in like on the bumps. Now for the last thing that I do is I go in with a lip balm. I'm using the Neutrogena lip balm. Now this has SPF. This has SPF 15. I've been using this. I also love the Nivea lip balm, but this is something that I'm going with on my lip. Yeah, and that's it for today. I'm sorry if you're hearing that. There's some work going on the apartment above, and I feel that, yeah, you can hear that. But anyways, that's it for today's video. I hope this was super helpful. Let me know what your skincare routine is down below, and I hope that you will try this and you will start taking care of your skin. And if you have made this far, and if you like this video, please don't forget to like this video. All the links will be in the description. Don't forget to follow me on my social media account. I will put all the links down in the description. Make sure you're subscribing to my channel. Do you see that circle? Please hit that circle. Please hit that red button and subscribe to my channel. So make sure that you're doing that. My camera died and I could not say bye to you, and how can I go without saying bye to you? So I'm filming with my phone camera, please don't mind it. But yeah, I just wanted to show, then this is how it ends up. Please do not forget your SPF kits because it is important. And yeah, until next time, bye bye.